My Aunt Judy finally moved into her patio home, and this is my Aunt Judy's furnished house tour.
And if there's a television in the closet.
Okay.
Okay. And I'm kind of calling it a breakfast room, or a study, or a office. Because that over there is a little office table, and then there is the television. Now, does this look okay?
Yes, it does.
And you can look outside and see the tree and everything. That's better than a bedroom, isn't it?
Yes, it is.
Okay. And
Yes,
so, I want you to tell me anything you want changed around here. Go.
Oh, yeah. Up on the wall, yes.
Does that look good? The two pictures, Patricia?
Yeah, that looks real good.
Okay, and this room is just a mess right now, but take it anyway if you want to.
Looks real good.
And Joyce, I'm gonna have a chandelier hanging here and take those doors off. Do you like it?
My Aunt Judy is still moving in, but this is our partial furnished house tour. I'm sure I'll have another video of the finished full house tour. But let's continue looking at her furnished house tour as is. I think her furnished house tour as is elegant, beautiful, and it's just mind-blowing that she took this little patio home and turned it into this beautiful living space. I can't wait to see when she gets her curtains up and all of her little touch-ups she's going to be doing here in the near future. I will have another video of her complete house tour, but as of right now, I am in love with her cute little patio set she's got going on. I don't know if she's going to finish doing her yard work this year or start in the following spring, but she came from a huge home, and she brought most of her furniture from that big house to this little patio home. And you would not think these patio homes have so much room. Look how tall the ceilings are. I mean, it's just absolutely fabulous inside, so roomy, and I'm in love with these hardwood floors. Look at these floors. But she has done an amazing job decorating this house, and it is a patio home, so there is another living space on the other side that somebody else is living in, and you cannot even tell. There's no sounds or anything, and there's a fireproof wall in between. So I am happy with her living space and how she's decorated it, and I know she's in love with it. And I think it's mind-blowing because we've seen it empty and now we see it furnished, and how beautiful it is. She just decorates just so elegantly. Look at these beautiful trees. All of her furniture is just beautiful, and she's always had big furniture, so for it to fit into the small space the way it does and how she has it decorated, it just blows my mind. I don't know if I could decorate like this. I'm hoping I can. But she is still moving in, and she has a lot of her stuff back here towards the end of the house, and her closet. She's going to redo all of this, and she's still got a lot to do, unpacking to do, but this is part of her furnished house tour that I want to bring you guys along with the journey of my Aunt Judy's moving experience. Like I mentioned, she had a lot of downsizing to do. So this is a struggle for her all on its own, for her to have to downsize so much.
We did all the lifting and the carrying and the pushing.
That's what made it, okay. That's a thought.
So it makes it so soft.
Makes it so soft.
And I was going to close and get double face.
Look what she did underneath there.
Yeah.
See how soft it is?
Yeah, Joey carried all that in and stuff.
Oh, I like that.
Yeah.
And then I'll just put double face tape to keep it from showing. That's why I just want to get it close. And that came from the bedroom. Timmy said, oh, Timmy has been here and worked and moved for, and I'd have it like I thought I wanted it, and I'd hear him in there moving things around.
It's what you need.
And he's going to get me a lawnmower. He's already ordered it. Oh, and see that ledge up there?
Yeah.
Okay, what if I take some of these and put up there?
You
Would
could.
that look
You need
good?
something up here on the ledge.
Because I've got really too many down here.
That'd
Or
be-
do you think?
You don't want to make it look too tacky up there. It's kind of, you know, but you could have
No, I would put them up there because they're out of the way and they're up there.
Okay, I don't want anything over the cabinets like people do. I don't
Yeah.
want that. So you think I could put those canisters up there?
Yeah.
Okay.
Or just things like this, something on this one here. It's not over your little cabinets there. It's something that seems like it's just, you know, this right here.
Okay, just the one. Okay.
I mean, I wouldn't put them all over here. Something that would be draw, you know,
I've got to show you about the snack bar.
maybe a pretty flower arrangement.
I don't want to take all your time and stuff.
Oh, you're fine.
Yeah, the flower arrangements had, well, that one survived, and Jane made that, of course. Okay, see, this had doors on the back too. See them down there?
Yeah.
And here they are. I took them off.
Okay.
Okay, what I'm gonna do is, I don't know how I'm going to do it.
Can I go to this restroom or?
You can use any restroom. You use one in there and here. Anyway, this will be against.
You know, I get still lost in this place. Should I go here?
Yeah, or you can go back here, either one, Joyce.
She got me a big drink of Coke a while ago, and okay, this will be quick and easy.
What she gets, she does. Anyway, this and this will be against each other.
Yeah, I like that.
Then I'm going to have Creative Kitchens or somebody that knows what they're doing to make me a tabletop, you know, in a hopefully maybe a blackish color to match my
Yeah,
serving
that'd be
things.
pretty.
And that would be okay with the rest of the white.
Yeah, I'd like that. That'd set it off.
Okay. Anyway, this will be over here. I don't know how. But anyway, then they will put a whole top over that
Yeah.
and make it look like one piece, and they'll get more room out there because this will be coming this way.
That'd be pretty.
These cabinet things, I'm gonna put on here.
Yeah, that would
Make them work like it, you know, on both things.
be. Yeah.
So anyway, I've got plans, but I think I will. I don't know whether I have to go in debt for it or what, but I'm determined to get that looking.
That would look good. It would.
It's the top I need, and I figure out how to get this under here. I don't know. This top will probably have to come off. You see, I got drawers right here too.
Yeah, she's got one.
Or that's fake.
Yeah.
But they can put them here too.
Yeah, that'd be pretty.
What do you think?
I do. I think that'd be real pretty.
Okay.
She has a huge pantry to store all of her canned goods and everything that she needs in there, and it's out of the way with this cute, elegant door, and it's attached to her kitchen, so that is a plus. I'm just so happy for my aunt. I cannot wait to show you guys her furnished house tour part 2.